Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this football model in NX 12. Okay, let's start. First we need finishing the football sketch, so I just select XY plane. Then we create paragon, number of side 5. Construct this and make dimension. Sorry, 40. Select this circle and convert to reference. Next we need add 2 lines from this point. Then we construct equal. The angle 120. 122. Okay, we finish the sketch. Finish the sketch. Next, we need to select this curve line and the level. Select this line, and we need to select this line as a vector. Sorry, vector. Shift, apply, and select this line. Vector. Okay. Next, convert. We need intersection code. Select these 2 faces, and we get the line intersection code. Hide 2. We get the 2 intersection codes. So we need this line and this line. Create datum plane. Home, datum plane. Select this line and this line. Okay, the datum plane. Next, we create new sketch. Select this datum plane. Okay, and we create number of size 6. Coincident. This is coincident. Okay, finish. Now we need to hide the intersection code. Create a new sketch. Select XZ plane. So from the line, consider this line perpendicular to datum plane. Trim the sketch. We get the point. Sorry. Finish the sketch. Next, we create a shell. the center point, select this endpoint. Diameter 100. Okay. Curves. Project curves. Select then we select the shell. Hide the sketch. We get the project codes. Surface. We need to divide the face. Select this single face and use project is the codes. Okay, you see we get the two face 1, 2. So surface scenic. Surface. Oh no, single face. 5 or 4. Okay, we had the shell. Next, we edge blend 2. Okay, change the appearance. Read. Next, we need partner geometry. We select the read part. Then select circle and vector. Span 5 and the point. Apply. Next, we select the yellow body. The vector, we need to select this line and the 2. We need the page 120. Okay, we get the 3. Apply. Next, we select the partner geometry yellow body and vector. Five and 360. Apply. Okay, next we need to select this read body. Select and the vector. Select this line. This line. And 2 120. So we get the body. Next, part node geometry. Select this body and the vector sketch 320. Apply. Okay. Next, we need select the all body. Then we need select X. The point, we need select the end point. The land. So the point and the page 2, the angle 180. Okay. Okay, we finished the part, the football. You can try it. So easy. So thank you for watching. Don't subscribe my video and like. Thank you. Thank you very much.